INKAS armored Lincoln Navigator L helps navigate incoming bullets away from you as the gulf widens between the haves and have-nots. Extreme members of the former sometimes feel the need for added protection from the latter. That's where companies like Toronto-based INKAS Armored Vehicle Manufacturing come in, with armored vehicles like this recently released bulletproof 2020 Lincoln Navigator L, priced at just $150,000 to start, with VIP conversions going for as much as $250K. That starting price is about $50,000 more than you'd spend for a factory, similarly equipped, and possibly only BB gun resistant, Navigator L Reserve with rear entertainment, Revel 20-speaker audio, and other non-firearm-related must-haves. The INKAS Lincoln's armoring would easily stop a few BBs. It delivers BR6 level protection capable of withstanding attacks from 7.62x 51mm or .308 Winchester FMJ ammunition. Much of the SUV's armor consists of ballistic steel with composite materials used where appropriate. This level of protection also can withstand explosions from up to 2 hand grenades detonated simultaneously, thanks to full perimeter ballistic protection of the vehicle ceiling and floor, premium multi-layer ballistic glass, take note, the windows no longer open, upgraded suspension, and run-flat tires. INKAS also installs emergency lights, as well as a siren and public address system, to be used in case of emergency. The suspension upgrades help cope with the roughly 2,000 pounds of added mass the armoring entails, and may include some minor frame modifications as well, though the Lincoln's steel frame is quite strong to begin with. The INKAS catalog of SUVs available for armoring is extensive and includes the Bentley Bentayga, Cadillac Escalade, Chevy Suburban, GMC Yukon Denali, Infiniti QX80, Jeep Grand Cherokee, Rover Range Rover, Lexus LX 570, Mercedes-Benz G and GLS-Classes, Nissan Armada, Rolls-Royce Cullinan, Toyota 4Runner and Land Cruiser and more, some of which are INKAS bespoke designs. Among those, the Chevy